what's up guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, so today we are in Preston Hollow in a privately held half-acre lot, and we're about 10 minutes from North Park Mall. We're about 15 minutes from Dallas Love Field Airport, and about 20 minutes from downtown Dallas. Guys, this was the cool one. It's been completely remodeled. Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is actually a 1954 home that had, like Sergio mentioned, completely remodeled. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,541 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,825,000, which comes out to $402 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.46 acre lot, which is roughly 20,037 square feet.
Yeah, that's almost half an acre, like I mentioned, and it's privately gated, so that's what I meant. I think I said privately held, but anyways, can't wait to show you guys.
Yes, enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market, or maybe you're relocating to Dallas, you need to buy a house. We can help you with all of your residential real estate needs. All you need to do is schedule a buyer or seller consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Yes, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. And once again, thank you so much for watching, guys.
See you guys next time.